everybody, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad you stopped by to say hi. This is your reminder video, okay, of the December's DPer of the month. First off, let's congratulate, clap, for Odd But Nice. Sabrina, she is our November Diamond Painter of the Month. We are so glad that she was selected and she was nominated, and her prize consisted of a diamond painting pen and cover minder set from KK's Unique Diamond Painting Pens with Karen Doss. It consisted of a beautiful diamond painting mug, as well as a cover minder travel holder from Donnie's Drill Pen Frenzies shop off of Etsy. And we threw a little spice in there. She got a 30 by 40 diamond painting from a sweet donor who contacted me and said that she had too many diamond paintings, and in order to alleviate her stash and bless other people, she wanted to be able to gift them out to the diamond painters. So guys, this Diamond Painter of the Month is working. You guys are loving each other, nominating each other. We're able to buy from diamond painting creators off of Etsy and Facebook, and just kind of really bless people and just help their small businesses grow and just show love as a two-way street in the community. And so I just want to thank you so much. For those of you who are new or who haven't seen a video announcing what Diamond Painter of the Month is, basically go to the link down below. It's a Google Doc form, super easy, takes 2 minutes to fill out. You're going to put your first name, then your last name. Then you're going to put their first name and their last name. If you do not know what it is because it's your favorite YouTube channel or it's your favorite Facebook group moderator, put in what you know, and then put in the notes for me, a little something, and that leads me back to them so I can then ask them direct for their address. Lately, people have been putting in their first and last name, and then they've also put their first and last name in again for the nominator's name. So make sure you're checking and reading to fill out that nomination form. Okay, so the rules are that there really are no rules except for you cannot nominate yourself. Okay, if you do want yourself nominated, work around it, cheat, go tell somebody else to nominate you, have your husband nominate you, your kids nominate you. That's not really cheating because they love you and they would have nominated you anyway, but you just let them know this is where they can do it. Number two, you can't, their previous winners cannot win again, okay, because we want to spread the wealth. I'm trying to figure out a way to show the previous winners so that we're not double dipping. So I do know that we had Jeremy win. I know that we had Laura win. I know that we had Eskies win. I know that we had Odd But Nice win. And I know, oh, I'm so sorry. There was one other person. I'm so sorry I'm blinking. I don't have my notes in front of me. They're going to kill me. I love them. I do. But we have previous winners. Now it's going to bug me to not know who it is. I'm so sorry. I might flash their name down below just so they know I love them. So if you do nominate them, I will not be reading off their name or their nomination. That doesn't mean you don't love them or I didn't see it. It just means that we're moving forward. So yeah, the other thing is, the positive rule is that it can be anybody. It does not have to be a creator. It does not have to be a YouTuber. It does not have to be a Facebook group. The only thing is they need to love diamond painting. So sisters and brothers have nominated each other. Daughters, mothers have nominated each other. Husbands, wives. It doesn't really matter. It's just sharing the love. Okay. So now, are you ready to know what this month's prize is? I'm super excited. So I purchased, as you know, from Storm Sisters Studio, and I'm absolutely in love. I got 2 pens. One came with this, okay, and there's a video on it, and then I bought this pen because I love the dandelions that they have on here. Sorry, I don't have my light on right now. So this, because of your gracious donations, I am able to purchase one of these, and then I'm also going to purchase a pen that goes with it, so it's going to match, and that will help support Storm Sisters, but it will also give you something beautiful and handcrafted and original that's diamond painted related. You'll also, I will contact you with a couple selections to choose from our lovely donator for a 30 by 40 diamond painting that will be sent to you. And then I need to talk to KK Unique's diamond painting pen, see what she has up her sleeve, and see if that's going to be an option as well. As far as that's concerned, it usually is, so we will let you know on the whole prize package. But we wanted to let you know that this is going to be this month's prize. Also, I want to thank you for your donations. Every time I get a donation from you at the PayPal link that's at the bottom of the form or the PayPal link down below, if it is labeled for DPer of the month, it does go into a special account, and that account is only for our DPer of the month, so that this is something that I can do for you guys and just continue to fund these prizes every month. And it's just a way that all of us can love and care for each other. So I just thank you so much for loving one another and for sticking around. If you like videos like this and you want to support one another, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber and would like to subscribe, you know, hit the subscribe button and be notified by the bell. So until next video, take care, be blessed. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.